Do you have study notes, old reviewers, or other school documents? Do you want to earn $10 every day or up to $5,000 per month? If your answer is both yes, then please keep on watching.
In this new platform that I'm about to share, accepts all types of materials including class notes, old exam study guides, reviewers, past research paper, and other school documents that can still be used as a reference.
Hey everyone! So it's Nicole and welcome back again for another video. So if you're new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell to be notified for more earning contents like this in the future. So for today's vlog, I will share you guys another online earning opportunity or side hustle wherein you could earn passive income by just simply uploading your useful school documents online. So before we start, I would just like to show you guys the two types of income. First one is the active income. Active income, this is earn money by exchanging your time, your effort, and energy. So that is active income. You constantly need to do something in order to earn money. Okay, so for the second type of income is the passive income. This type of income requires you little to no effort to produce money. So that is passive income. You can just sleep or rest and still earn. So again, passive income, you can earn money even when you're doing nothing or just sleeping. So now I would like to introduce you to Studypool. So Studypool, this is an online learning platform that helps students around the world with their studies. So it has millions of students signed up here. The students ask questions or get extra resources that helps their studies. Especially right now, most of the students rely on online learning and a lot of students are really having a hard time coping up with online studies. So this is a great platform wherein teachers, or even though you are just a student that has an extra resources, could help the student with their studies. So there are two ways for you to earn here at Studypool. Number one is to be a text-based tutor, and second one is to sell documents or study reviewers or notes. A text-based tutor here requires an online application. You need to pass that online application for you to be able to teach or answer questions at Studypool. So as far as I know, there are 3 manuscripts here that you need to answer and pass for you to be able to be a Studypool tutor. Second way for you to earn here at Studypool is to sell your useful school documents, research papers, practice quizzes that could be used for the students that would help them with their study. But for today's video, I would just like to focus the second way to earn here, which is to sell your school documents. So this is perfect if you are a current university student like me, professor, a teacher, a former student, high school, elementary, whatever you are in right now, as long as you had available academic resources that is still useful and would help other students as their resources and reference. I know I'm not the only one who is guilty by having a lot of school documents that I had since elementary, high school, and up until now that I'm a college student that is still scattered around. Of course, it was really hard to let go or throw away this kind of document, the reviewers that I made throughout high school and college. I could still remember that I worked hard on those school documents because I love writing notes, doing my own reviewers. So it was really hard to throw them away or just delete those files because I know they had valuable information that could still be used in the future. So instead of throwing it, why not sell it? I will share how much do I earn already here at Studypool and what kind of documents that I upload.
Once you clicked on the link on my description box, you'll be redirected to the Studypool website. So if you're interested to become a tutor here, you may click the upper right corner of the screen. Now, if you are interested just to sell your documents and upload your school notes, you may click on the pink button, which is Start Selling Documents Now. They will ask you to sign up or log in, so you can easily sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Now, as you can see on the screen is the website that I personally use. You can upload your document here, but I just want to show you guys the top earners that we had beside.
So upon uploading your documents at Studypool, it still need to be reviewed first by the Studypool team just to verify if your resources are qualified, that has valuable information. Again, remember that the documents that you have to upload should be useful for the students, okay? So once your document is already verified and approved by the Studypool team, you could earn $10 every sold that you had with your document. And remember, it's not just limited by just one selling of your documents. A lot of students can still buy the document that you uploaded, and the top earners here even earn up to $5,000 per month.
Now, once you already had a sale on a specific notes or document, there will be a notification bell here. You can click on it, and it will notify you that you just received $10 off sale for a document. So this was 2 days ago. So yeah, luckily we had $10 on every sale. So again, when you upload one document, it's not just limited with one sale, but for 1,000 more.
The top earning here at Studypool is to upload tons of documents, as many as you can, because it would increase the chance of selling. Take note guys that users around the world could upload their documents online here at Studypool. So it's not just limited with the English language. If you had other studies, for example, German, Spanish, French, you can upload it online because it has millions of students signed up here and they might be interested with the documents that you just uploaded. So the earning potential here is unlimited because again, Studypool is open for millions of students. So I highly encourage everyone who has available school documents or materials, try this out. This is a great opportunity for you to earn passive income by just leaving your school notes and have the students buy your reference. So all you have to do is click on the link down below, sign up, register, and start selling your documents and earn. Just in case if you had any question, just comment it down below and I'll try my best to answer. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope that this video would be helpful for you. So again, this is Nicole. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye!